Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache Tuscany is a runtime framework that implements the service component architecture standard. It enables developers to build, deploy, and run service-oriented applications with support for multiple languages and a modular architecture. While it's no longer actively developed, it still plays a role in legacy enterprise systems. SCA, or Service Component Architecture, is the foundation of Tuscany. It allows developers to define services in a language-neutral and transport-agnostic way using XML composites. These composites describe how components interact with services and references, enabling modular and reusable architectures. The Tuscany runtime is designed for flexibility. It supports multiple languages and offers a pluggable system for adding transports like REST or SOAP, bindings, and policies. It integrates smoothly with frameworks like Spring and Axis2, making it a versatile tool for enterprise integration. Tuscany's architecture is modular at its core. Extensions for transports, bindings, and data formats can be plugged in as needed. Policies such as security or transactions are applied declaratively. This architecture supports both local and distributed service execution, making it ideal for enterprise integration scenarios. The SCA Composite Model is central to Tuscany. It uses XML to define components, their services, and references. These definitions are declarative, allowing for clear separation of concerns and easy configuration of bindings and policies without touching code. Tuscany supports a wide range of bindings including SOAP, REST, and JSON-RPC. These are configured declaratively in the composite files, enabling services to communicate locally or remotely with minimal overhead. The pluggable transport system allows developers to extend support for other protocols as needed. Tuscany's policy framework allows developers to enforce quality of service features like security, transactions, and reliability declaratively. These policies are defined in XML and can be applied at the component or service level, making it easier to manage enterprise-grade service behavior. Despite its enterprise capabilities, Tuscany is designed for performance. Its lightweight core can be extended only as needed, and it supports efficient local and remote service invocation. Integration with middleware like JMS and WS ensures scalability in large deployments. Tuscany shines in enterprise environments where legacy systems need integration or where SOA-based applications are being developed. It's also useful for prototyping microservices and implementing enterprise service buses. Its ability to reuse services through various bindings makes it highly adaptable. Tuscany integrates well with popular frameworks like Spring and Apache Axis. This allows developers to leverage existing components and policies while benefiting from SCA's modular and declarative approach. The shared component models make it easy to unify deployment strategies across frameworks. Tuscany provides a set of tools to help developers visualize, debug, and monitor SCA applications. These include composite editors, policy configuration UIs, and integration with IDEs. These tools are essential for maintaining large-scale SCA deployments. It's important to note that Apache Tuscany is currently in maintenance mode. While it's still used in some legacy systems, there is no active development. Users are encouraged to migrate to modern platforms for new projects, but Tuscany remains a solid choice for existing SCA-based systems. Apache Tuscany is best suited for scenarios involving legacy system integration, SOA-based application maintenance, or when reusing existing services. It's also useful for prototyping with SCA or integrating with enterprise middleware. However, for new projects, consider modern alternatives. To get started with Tuscany, begin by understanding SCA fundamentals. Then set up the runtime, create your first composite, and explore transports and bindings. Finally, learn how to apply policies declaratively to enforce quality of service in your applications. Apache Tuscany is a powerful framework for service-oriented architectures, especially in legacy integration scenarios. While it's no longer actively developed, it remains useful for existing systems. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.